Can you pour your blue into your cup?
Now it's blue.
Now it is blue. And you're going to take your little popsicle stick, hold your cup, and stir it. And I want you to count to 10. We're going to count to 10 together, okay? Hold your cup, though. Evelyn, hold your cup. Zaya, hold your cup. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Put your cups down. Good job. Take your popsicle sticks out. And the next thing you're going to put in here, I want you to smell this. This is the yellow cup. Can you smell your yellow cup? What does it smell like?
Soap.
Oh. Soap. Soap. You didn't get it near your lips, did you? You did? Okay. Better?
Smells good.
It doesn't smell good. It's on your nose? Oh my goodness. Let me get this.
Does it?
Let me get this.
Now,
Now you're going to pour your soap into your cup. Okay? In that cup, you're right. You okay? All right, go ahead and pour it into your cup.
I did.
Good job. Pour it right in there, Zaya. Good job. Did you get it right in there?
Yeah.
Good.
I did.
All right. So now we need to mix it again. If you have, hold on a second, kiddos. If you have a little extra inside your cup, make sure you scrape it out with your popsicle stick like that, okay? Can you scrape it out with your popsicle stick? Scrape it out, Luce. Scrape it out.
Okay.
Got it? Did you scrape yours out? Scrape it out with your popsicle stick like this. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Pour it into there. Good, because you want to get all of that soap out because it's going to help make bubbles.
I don't want
It's
to
going to
try
help make
to
bubbles. Good job. So if you have all of your soap out,
I have so many.
put your cups down. And now I want you to leave this cup in your tray while you're mixing. So put one hand on your cup and hold it, and then put your popsicle stick in your other hand, and let's count to 10. Put it in your tray while you're mixing. Keep it in your tray. Good job. Ready? Let's count to 10. 1, hold it with your other hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good counting. That's awesome, kiddos. Kiss your brains. Go like this. Nice job.
Now can we touch this?
So, you can touch it. You can touch this, but I don't want you to put it next to your mouth. You can touch it. Tell me how it feels. Oh, touch the white. Touch the white powder, Ava. What does it feel like?
It feels like snow.
It feels like snow? You're right, because we did use this yesterday to make snow. We used this yesterday. And now put it next to your nose. Don't put it too close to your nose. I want you to take a smell of it. What does it smell like?
Okay, we'll touch them.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. It smells like stinky socks.
Ava, did you get it in your
Stinky
eye?
socks? Oh, sweetheart, you want it? Here we go. You all right there? You sure? Here we go. Oh my goodness, little scientist.
You can't fit in here.
There we go. You okay, love?
All
All right.
Oh, Luce, don't do
Guess
anything yet.
what? You right there?
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here.
Yes.
Okay.
But hold on 1 second. 1 second.
Okay.
We're gonna turn. I want you guys to say a magic potion. Are you guys ready?
How do we do that?
So hold your cup. Hold your white cup. And then I want you to take your whole cup. Put your popsicle sticks down. Popsicle sticks down. Good job. Now we're going to say abracadabra, bippity boppity doo. But listen, when we pour it in there, we're going on the bippity boppity boo. When you get to the boo part, I want you to pour it in. Are you ready? So you're going to pour the whole cup in. Ready, Luce? Hold your cup, and you're going to pull the whole cup in. Ready? Abracadabra, bippity boppity boo. Pour it in. Let's see what happens.
It's doing something.
Oh my goodness, what is it doing?
It's doing that.
It's a magic potion. Look at yours. It keeps going.
It's coming out of mine.
Is it coming out of yours? What's happening? It's bubbling over. It's bubbling and it's oozing. Here comes yours. Is that cool? Yeah?
Now get mine.
Yeah, sometimes it takes a little bit to get
out.
going. It is coming out. Look at yours. Look at you.